interview and thank you for having me here. And then, can you please tell me your name and work status, position, and year graduated, and how many years of working?
So, my name is Maria Francis Leanne Sosa, and then my position is front office, and I graduated year 2023.
And what's your, how many years of working, ma'am?
Almost 2 years this coming July.
Okay, ma'am. So after the graduation, what opportunities you found?
This job.
Wow! So how do you think to use to perform your performance in this industry?
My performance in this industry is, well, okay lang, it's good, and actually many challenges, but I try my best to walang ilang means.
What challenges you encountered in the industry?
Ang pinaka-one with the challenges na akong na-encounter is things sa customer, sabi na ganun, naman kayo siya. So na, na-pressure siya, dapat picture ko siya, muli ka din mo dapat dyan mo pagaling lang sa isa, dito sa isa, mas ko.
So, ma'am, so what experiences or lessons from your school that helped to your job? Mga lesson mo, ma'am, sa sinabi mo na nakakayad sa mga pagpanagal ko.
Walang communication, then, we can get set for the time.
So, as an employee, ma'am, so what characteristics or attributes you share in the industry?
First na po, ako i-share is, yun, focus lang dito sa imong work, tapos isulod yun sa imong mind na dapat hindi dito magkakadamag mga lapses sa imong work para hindi makuha mong work ng makuha mong record. So, entertain well sa guests, and then accommodate also sa mga needs nila.
Okay, ma'am, so as a graduated student, kami ma'am, as a graduated student, so what thoughts you share to us?
Laban sa kinabuhi, laban sa inyong pag-eskwela, di sana may mga kalisod, pag-struggle sa inyong eskwela, focus lang, then isolve yung mind na, eskwela mo.
So this year, ma'am, 2025, so what is your expectations to your life, career, or academic related?
Ako expectation, hopefully, na ma-promote, and mataas-taas gabi ang sweldo,
Or top job, no? So what motivational quotes, ma'am, that you shared to those who's working, ma'am, like you?
Panginoon dito ko kahatag is, honesty is the best policy. Then, love your work para ma-motivate ko din mo kaugalan mo na mag-work.
Thank you for your wonderful answer, ma'am.